Hi everyone, welcome back. I've talked to you about these induction frying pans, hex-clad, snow-clad, things like that. They're healthier. They don't have all the chemicalized stuff going to scratch off and get in your food, and you don't have to fry so hard. Your food just comes out better. Cook at a lower temperature, and it's just great frying pan technology. Okay, so I want you to try this pack. It's a 3-pack, and I think it's amazing. You can see me using them here, and it's a great buy. I'm telling you, it's a great buy. So go ahead and get this. Give it a try, and I think you're going to be glad you did. Bye now.